Did you know that a fruit, resembling an elongated blackberry, holds the key to a healthier you? It's the mulberry, an unassuming berry packed with incredible health benefits. Often overlooked, mulberries offer a nutritional punch, often exceeding their more popular counterparts. Join me as we delve into the remarkable world of mulberries and discover how they can unlock your health potential. Mulberries are more than just a sweet treat. They're nutritional powerhouses. They're low in calories, high in fiber, and loaded with vitamins and minerals. Their impressive nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to any diet, promoting overall well-being and vitality. Whether enjoyed fresh, dried, or incorporated into recipes, mulberries offer a delicious way to enhance your health. Don't let their small size fool you. Mulberries are nutritional giants. These tiny berries are an excellent source of vitamin C, vital for a strong immune system and radiant skin. They're also rich in iron, which helps combat fatigue and boosts energy levels. Mulberries are a good source of potassium, crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure and supporting proper muscle function. Beyond these essential nutrients, mulberries are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our bodies from damage caused by harmful free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases. By incorporating antioxidant-rich foods like mulberries into your diet, you can bolster your body's defenses and promote long-term health. Small changes, like adding a handful of mulberries to your breakfast or snacks, can make a big difference. Mulberries are a potent source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Anthocyanins, the pigments that give mulberries their vibrant color, are particularly powerful antioxidants. They've been linked to improved heart health, reduced inflammation, and even protection against certain types of cancer. Adding mulberries to your diet is like giving your body an army of tiny warriors fighting to keep you healthy. By neutralizing free radicals, these antioxidants help protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables like mulberries is one of the best ways to boost your antioxidant intake and support overall well-being. One of the best things about mulberries is their versatility in the kitchen. They're delicious eaten fresh straight off the branch, but their sweet, slightly tart flavor lends itself well to countless recipes. Add them to smoothies for a nutritional boost, sprinkle them over yogurt or oatmeal for a breakfast treat, or bake them into muffins and pies for a healthy dessert option. Beyond sweet treats, mulberries can also enhance savory dishes. Their unique flavor profile pairs well with salads, adding a touch of sweetness and acidity. You can also use them to make jams, chutneys, and sauces that complement meat dishes and cheeses. Get creative and experiment with mulberries in your cooking. You'll be pleasantly surprised by the delightful flavors they bring to the table. I used to struggle with low energy levels and frequent colds. I tried various supplements and dietary changes, but nothing seemed to make a lasting difference. Then, I discovered the power of mulberries. I started incorporating them into my diet daily, adding them to smoothies, yogurt bowls, and even salads. The results were remarkable. My energy levels soared, and I rarely fell ill. The change was so significant that even my friends and family noticed. I felt healthier and more vibrant than ever before. That's when I realized the profound impact that simple, natural foods like mulberries can have on our health. Mulberries are just one example of the incredible healing power of nature. By incorporating more whole, unprocessed foods into our diets, we can unlock our body's innate ability to thrive. Let's rediscover the wisdom of traditional food cultures and embrace the bounty of nature's offerings. Start small by adding a handful of mulberries to your daily routine. Experiment with different recipes and discover your favorite ways to enjoy this versatile berry. As you experience the benefits firsthand, share your knowledge with others and inspire them to embrace a healthier lifestyle. Together, let's embark on a journey of well-being, fueled by the power of natural foods.